What's up guys, and welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install FiveM on your PC or on your laptop. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First, what you need to do, just open this site. I leave you this website in description of video. When you open this site, you will see in right corner download client. Click this. Go here, sure I agree, and you will see message thank you, you are awesome, save your installation and downloads, and you have FiveM app on your PC. When you download FiveM, just open and go here run, and you will see updating FiveM. You just need to wait for this download process, and that's it for FiveM. All what you need to do when you install FiveM on your PC, new window will open automatically, and you need just to select your GTA folder. You can find it on Epic Games or Steam. You just need to find where your game is located. In next tutorial I'll show you how to connect GTA 5 and FiveM, and also how to play roleplay with your friends. And that's it guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button. I see you in next video. Bye guys.